Welcome to the channel where we explore the cutting edge of technology and education. I'm Inventorpreet, and today we're diving into the world of ChatGPT, a powerful AI tool that's transforming how we learn, create, and think. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is an advanced language model that can understand and generate human-like text. It's like having a conversation with a machine that's been reading millions of books, articles, and websites. From writing essays, coding, to solving complex math problems, ChatGPT's capabilities are vast. But it's not just about getting answers. It's a tool for sparking creativity and learning in ways we've only begun to explore. Imagine personalized learning experiences where ChatGPT helps you understand difficult concepts, or language learning where you practice conversations with an AI tutor. The possibilities are endless, and the impact on education is profound. Let's see ChatGPT in action. Today, we'll ask it to explain a complex topic in simple terms. As we've seen, ChatGPT is not just a tool but a companion in our learning journey. Whether you're a student, educator, or lifelong learner, the potential to enhance your knowledge and creativity is at your fingertips. If you're as excited about the possibilities of ChatGPT and AI in education as I am, subscribe for more insights, tutorials, and discussions. Together, let's unlock the future of learning. ChatGPT isn't just for technical tasks, it's a muse for the digital age. Whether you're facing writer's block or just looking for inspiration, ChatGPT can help you weave magical narratives out of thin air. Let's start simple. We'll use ChatGPT to generate a story idea. All you need is a prompt, a sentence or question to ignite the creative process. Like, generate a story idea about a time-traveling historian. Got your story idea? Great. Now, let's ask ChatGPT to expand on that. We can request character descriptions, plot twists, or even dialogue. Here's where the real magic happens. We'll write a short story together with ChatGPT. I'll start a sentence, and ChatGPT will continue. Now that we have our draft, let's refine it. ChatGPT can suggest improvements, help with grammar, and even enhance the story's emotional depth. Don't stop here. Experiment with different genres, prompts, and storytelling techniques. ChatGPT is a tool that grows with you, offering endless possibilities for exploration. Today, we've only scratched the surface of combining AI with human creativity. Remember, the key to great writing is not just the ideas but how you bring them to life. If you enjoyed this journey into creative writing with ChatGPT, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials, tips, and tech insights. Share your AI-assisted creations in the comments below. I'd love to see what stories you bring to the world.